Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talking about how you can create animation in Canva. In order to do that, first of all, you have to come on this website Canva, and you can just type in your browser canva.com and it will redirect you to this website. So so to create animation, you will get no paid subscription needed, no fancy software needed, just Canva and some imagination. So let's get started. Now, if you don't already have an account, you can sign up using Gmail, Facebook, Microsoft, or just your good old email address. Super simple, takes less than a minute. Now, just once you are logged in, let's start our project. Click on the create design. This is important. Just simply click on the create design. Now you have to choose what kind of uh, page you want. For example, if you want to customize it, you can customize it. For me, I want YouTube. So what I will do is presentation, or you can just go on the social media and you can choose from there too. You can choose a Facebook post landscape, Instagram stories, WhatsApp status. In my case, I want YouTube intro landscape. I will choose it. Once you are inside, you will see the blank canvas and a timeline uh, below. This timeline is all the magic will happen. For example, if I put this video, you will get to see the timeline over here. As you can see, this is a timeline. So this is all where this timeline is where all the magic will happen. From animation to transition, we build everything out here. So let's add element into our blank canvas. For example, just delete, I will just delete it. Now let's spice things up. On the left hand menu, you will get to see this kind of design, elements, text, brand, uploads, tools, projects. To access all elements, what you can do is just simply click on the elements and search for elements. So you will get categories of elements like shapes, graphs, photos. In my case, I need graph. What I will do is just simply go in the graph and search for human. So I want waving human, so I will put it over here, scale it up and drag it into my canvas. You can choose what kind of graph element you want. You can search for it. Now let's add text and animation in. For example, to adding text, what you can do is to just go to into text and just drag into the your canvas. Hello, and I want to change it. Hello, how are you? So give me a little time. I will resize it and I will do it. Now here where it gets fun, click on your text, then hit animation on the top bar. You will get to see this effect and animate. From here you can give the animation to your text. So as you can see here, so there are lots of options you can choose to give the animation to your text. You can choose characters, line, uh, duration, direction, where direction you want. Like I want uh, from bottom to up, and you can do is this one too. So you can try it. And every query on like pop-up, tumble, click each on to preview it. It is really just about what feels right for your video's vibe. So just let's create movement and transition. Uh, so want more element movement into your canvas? You can actually animate how your element enter or exit. For example, take a character of this character or text and choose an entrance animation. Just go choose the element or graph and go to animate, and you will get to see this kind of rice pan. If you want to give, you have to preview and you have to check what kind of animation do you want on your element. So you can swipe up, you can blur and things make things good. So test it. Choose the animation based on your needs. Now uh, I will create one more page over here. So where what I can do is just I want to make this one, this page, and this page. So transition between slides are also possible. Just click on the two scenes in the timeline. For example, what I will do is just enter this uh, text. Okay, this is this is page number two, page number two, and let me resize it or reposition it. I will choose the different color, for example this one, and this maybe this one. And if you want to give the transition between this page and between this page, what you have to do is just simply click on this icon where you can see this. Just simply click over here and you will get some transition. For example, as you can see here, I can preview it. What I will do is just give the some basic transition. This one is look good. So this is what you can create. You have to play with Canva so you can create good animation. To add complex animation, you have to use a different website, which is Animaker. It is free animation tool and it works beautifully alongside Canva. So go to animaker.com, animaker.com, and you have to create free account and start a blank project. You can add character, assign expression like happy, confusion, exciting, and even set custom movement. Once you are happy with animation, download it and short video. Just simply click on this create for free, and now over here you have to sign up with your Gmail. Just click give the all the necessary permissions which Google asks. Now after signing, you will get to select a category for your AI video generation. For example, if you want explainer, you can choose from here. For example, I want product explanation. What you can do is you can generate a video, but just simply go into dashboard. Now help us optimize your experience. I'm a human resource marketing uh, course training video. Just choose the options. Now after completing all the necessary details, you will get to see this kind of dashboard in front of you. Now you have to create from scratch. Just simply click on the create from scratch. You will get two options. One, whiteboard. Second is cartoon. I will choose cartoon. Video will be horizontal video, square video, and just create a new project. So according to that, it will create a blank canvas where you can add the characters. As you can see here, I have lots of characters over here. Just simply choose based on your needs. For example, I will choose this one and choose this one. This is the action and this is the expression. So for making our animation good, where we added this hello, how are you? So I want waving hand. So what I will do is just standing, search for waving hands. So put it over here as you can see here. Now if you want to give expression, you can give as well: smiling, sad, angry. Right now if I choose angry, so this will be funny, this is not good. This is that. And you can make resize this length of the video as well. Just simply click on the generate. Now if you want to download this video, just have to click on the publish. Now if you want to download the video, you have to just simply click on the download video, click on the download, and untitled video has submitted. So a quick head up: the free version of Animaker add a watermark to hide it, crop it out when placing the video into Canva, or reposition it into a different slide where the watermark would not distract. If you really like Animaker and plan it to use it to a lot, you can upgrade, but for most simple project, cropping does the trick. So what you have to do is just this is in queue. Your video is waiting on the rendering queue, so it will take a little time. So animator taking a little time to export that video. So what you can do is to remove the watermark is just simply, for example, this is an animator video, and what you have to do is just simply resize it and make it make the watermark remove. So this is how you can fix that issue. If you are using in a large scale, what you can do is to just buy the premium version of the that video. So yeah, so this is for it, and there you have it, a complete animated video made of 100% inside the Canva. You can use other website as well to just integrate it for free. Whether you are creating an intro for your YouTube channel or social media post, or even an explainer video, Canva makes it super easy to get started. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.